the latent heat of fusion. I am some complete teach you about it. But for if you news also please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and start my topic. When a substance is changed from solid to liquid state of adding heat, the process is called melting or fusion. Melting or fusion, the temperature at which a solid starts melting is called its fusion point or melting point. When the process is reversed, I when a liquid is cooled, it changes into solid state. The temperature at which a substance changes from liquid to solid state is called its freezing point. And different substances have different melting point. However, the freezing point of a substance is called same as its melting point. And heat energy required to change unit mass of substance from solid to liquid state at its melting point without change in its temperature is called latent heat of fusion. It is denoted by HF. HF is equal delta QF over small m. Or its complete formula is combined, then delta QF is equal MHF. Ice changes at 0 degree C into water. Latent heat of fusion of ice is 3.36 multiplied 10 5 jkg negative 1. This is 3.36 multiplied 10 5 joule. Heat is required to melt 1 kg of ice into water at 0 degree C. And in some experiment 8.1, take a breaker and place it over a stand. Put small pieces of ice in the breaker and suspend a thermometer in the breaker to measure the temperature. Place a burner under the breaker and the ice temperature. Place a burner under the breaker. The ice will start melting. The ice will start melting uh, and the temperature of the mixture containing ice and water will not increase above 0 degree C and until all the ice melts, not all time which the ice takes and to melt completely into water at 0 degree C and continue heating the water at 0 degree C and in the breaker its temperature will begin to increase. Note the time which the water in the breaker takes to reach its boiling point at 100 degree C from 0 degree C. And draw temperature time graphs such as shown and calculate the latent heat of fusion of ice from the data as follows. Mass of ice is equal m and finding the time from the graph, time taken of ice to melt completely at 0 degree C and Tr is equal to T2 negative T1 is equal to 3.6 MIM mint. And heat from 0 degree C to 100 degree C and it is equal T2 T naught is equal to T3 negative T2 is equal 4.6 MIN mint. And specific heat of water C is equal 4200 jkg negative 1 K negative 1 and increases in the temperature of water is equal delta T is equal 100 degree C is equal 100 K and heat required by water from 0 degree C to 100 degree C and its complete formula is delta Q is equal MC delta T and is put the values m multiply 4200 jkg negative 1 K negative 1 multiply 100 K m multiply 42,000 420,000 jkg negative 1 and formula m multiply 4.2 multiply 10 5 jkg negative 1. So my dear friends, how is my topic today about latent heat of fusion. I hope you like it and take good knowledge for this my video. Here, if you are take good knowledge, also please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so now you give me permission. I'm going to my new topic. Take care. Allah Hafiz.